The rule with Bossy R vowels is if there is an R following a vowel, it changes the vowel sound. So A is no longer A, it is R. E is no longer E, it is I is no longer I, it is U is no longer it is And then O is no longer ah, it is or. So anytime an R follows a vowel, it changes the vowel sound. And that's why we call it a bossy R, because it bosses the vowel around and says, hey, you've got to say it my way, right? So let's practice a couple of those words. Let's see with our AR. Okay, so this word just has two sounds. It has K and R, right? So now let's tap and stretch it. Ready? Car. Say it fast. Car. Yeah, this is the word car. Exactly. Okay, here's another version. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Ready? Sharp. Tap and stretch again. Sharp. Say it fast. Sharp. This is the word sharp. We have the sh, the R, and the P. Three sounds. Sharp. Good job. Okay, this is a big word, and we can see it has two vowels, so that means we have two syllables that we're dealing with. So we need to split it between these two consonants. Ready? Okay, let's sound out our word now. Market. Good job. Let's sound it out again. Market. Say it fast. Market. Say it super fast. Market. My mom needs to go to the market to get some milk. Good job. Let's look at our bossy R when we're working with our vowel O. It doesn't say O, it doesn't say ah, it says or. So we're going to try a few words with our or sound that you probably already know. You see this word all the time. What does it say? For. Say it fast. For. It says for. Yeah. Okay, let's read this or sound word. Ready? We have one sound, two sounds, three sounds, because Bossy R makes this just say or, one sound. Are we ready? Cork. Tap and stretch again. Cork. Say it fast. Cork. Cork. We have a cork board in the garage. Okay, are you ready for this one? Let's tap and stretch. Thorn. Let's tap and stretch again. Thorn. Good. Say it fast. Thorn. Right, this is the word thorn. Yeah. Good job practicing bossy R with O, or.